Hey there, welcome to Pour the Love of Art. Today I'm pouring on this 10 by 10 canvas that I had previously poured on. I was starting off doing a ribbon pour, and then I got carried away with the ribbons and I didn't like it anymore. And then I decided to just tilt it, and I ended up with this, and I don't really care for it, so I'm just gonna pour over it. And so not putting a lot of thought into this, just using some of the paints that I already have mixed up, and I'm gonna do a ring pour, and I'm using a cup that I've used before because it still works. And I just added a little bit of water to my paints to thin them out a little bit. I have two different types of gold. These may be a little too thin for a ring pour, but we'll see. I have a Liquitex gold and I have Deco Arts 24 karat gold, and I'm using red and black. And I put the gold in first because I want that to be the last color out. And these colors have all been previously mixed with Floetrol and water. I didn't label them, so I don't know if it's 2 parts Floetrol, 3 parts Floetrol, but somewhere along those lines. And this way I can use up the paints. And I'm a big fan of ring pours. I'm rarely ever disappointed with a ring pour. And any paint that goes over, I'll have for paint skins. And I love this color combination, so. Let's see. And I guess I could also do some tiles, coasters. And this is definitely a lot of paint for a 10 by 10, so maybe I will make some coasters. Okay. So there's my cup. I'm gonna grab some coasters, just to have them ready. Okay, here we go. give these a little torch. Okay, here's the painting. I love it. I'm really glad I messed up that other pour and decided to redo it because I love this one. And then the tiles also turned out beautiful. So I unexpectedly have a set of coasters to go with the painting. Let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.